everybody. We're having a bit of a windstorm. I don't know how well the camera is going to pick this up, but yeah, we got 30-mile-an-hour winds, sand blowing pretty good everywhere. Clear blue skies, so anything that doesn't look clear blue, that's sand. Certain areas you can't even see the hills anymore. I'm over here on the side of the motorhome where I'm out of the wind so I can actually communicate, but this is crazy. I've been in some storms before. Down in Temecula, California, we had a couple good blow-throughs there, but this is crazy. I actually got my tent tied to the Jeep to help stabilize it. Tied down everything. Last night I knew this was coming, so last night I went through and tried to pick up everything that could blow around. A couple more hours, we're going to hit close to 50-mile-an-hour winds, so that'll be even more entertaining than it is now. This started at 5:30 this morning. Got no sleep last night from it. It's kind of crazy. My little kitchen set up, staked down. I got extra stakes on it. I actually got an extra pole on it just so it doesn't collapse down from, you know, the ropes pulling it down to the ground. It's crazy. I'll keep filming most of the day, off and on. It's kind of nice right here. Not a whole lot of wind, but you can see the bushes moving pretty good. I was gonna go for a hike today, but I can barely see it as is. The sand is so bad here. You can see the hills over that way. The wind's kind of not blowing towards them, so that's an advantage. My flagpole and wee boost, it's hopefully gonna last this. I'm not the only one out here enduring it. I think most everybody out here is hunkered down. Good enough winds to even wiggle the motorhome a little bit. It's blowing good. Makes me glad I'm not up in a forest right now, because this would be knocking trees down. Getting crazy out here. Absolutely everything is covered in dust. Steady 40 miles an hour. We're getting gusts close to 50. Definitely different scenery today. What you can see. Not much of the sun. Some serious wind. Look at the other camps and I can't see nobody outside, and I don't blame them a bit. It's supposed to calm down in a couple more hours, or slowly calm down. Guess we got quite the jet stream flying through here. Luckily it's just barely hitting here, heading east. I'll have to do a heck of a lot of cleaning after this. All right, back out into the wind. Whew. Yeah, all part of the adventure, I guess. Everything that can rattle is rattling on the motorhome. Lots of sand in the air. A little hard on the eyeballs, they're gritty. Going through the Carmex today for the lips. Yeah, it's crazy how thick the sand can get, considering this is a rocky ground. But it picks up every grain that's loose and moves it, that's for sure. Seeing the hills over there. Hopefully that's a good sign. Until another gust hits. Kind of fun. I'm gonna give you an idea what it's like inside my tent. Oh, and my sleeping system is covered. So I have a 3-season tent with a mesh. Nothing stopping that sand from getting in here. I got the dog bed down here. I got the other dog bed here. And yeah, my bed's just covered. I'll have to take everything out before I go to bed and try not to sleep in the sand. The other side, pretty much the same thing. Look down here below my desk, the sand's piling up. Around the outside edges, it's wiggling too much to keep it. And yeah, it's still blowing really good. We're about to the peak of it here. I keep hearing something rattling around. It's my little light bulb. Now, lots of things rattling around. The tarp on the top of the tent just keeps slamming. Definitely an interesting storm. Hey everybody. Now we're 11 hours in on this wind. I'm actually hunkered down as it's washed. So you can see everything's still moving pretty good above me. Camp's holding up. My tent's holding up really well. Our little clamshell will pop up. It doesn't like it too much. I'd kind of injure it, and it's injured itself. Can't decide whether it wants to stay popped up or popped down. Kind of crazy. See from here. Right now it's popped up. You can see the tent, how much wind's blowing through it. But hey, that's side effects. Outside of that, we got another 4 hours at least of this wind. We're still at a high dust warning, high wind warning. It's definitely calming down a little bit. Kind of hoping to get a sunset tonight, but we'll see. Probably be one of those sunsets that looks like there's smoke everywhere. adventure. Definitely not quiet. It's been quite loud, especially in the tent. You know, in there, nothing else to do. Get out here in the wind and fill your eyes full of sand if you want. Down here in this little wash, it's not too bad. But, you know, the wind, it bites through. The temperature's only in the low 50s. You know, and you add that wind chill to it, it's kind of chilly. As you can see, I got a little bit of warmer weather clothing than normal on. Still the desert, still kind of fun. Definitely interesting change of perspective on the wind. Where I'm from in the trees, you watch for trees falling. Out here, it's just dust in the eyes. Hopefully the next 4 hours go pretty good. Calms down. If it can calm down around 10 or 15 miles an hour, I'll be able to bring my bedding out, shake it out, maybe even sweep the tent out. Go for a hike. Right now it's, you know, hard on the eyes just being out here because all the sand flying in the air. But so far it's starting to get where I can see the hills around me. Not great, but they're out there. It means it's cutting down a little bit, at least that, or they're running out of sand. A few campers bailed. Kind of don't blame them. Most of the others just probably hunkering down. Kind of feel sorry for the ones with their solar out. They're gonna have to be up cleaning their panels tomorrow. Definitely got some wind. Yeah, this is fun, just keeping it updated on this storm. Tomorrow I'll film around the area, show you what it's supposed to look like compared to what it's been looking like today, that's for sure.